Right, cable's on, and off we go. Power's on, we have a red light down here, if you can see that. Power, it's gone green. TV's on, right. Okay, that's closed itself and reopened. Okay. PlayStation's on. As you can see there, everything seems to be working. Definitely got a problem with this. Now I have a solution for this. Surprisingly, is let's take that out. Oh, that's lovely and cool, that in the back of that. Right, let's sit down to this. You have to take off all 4 of these screws for the lid on the DVD tray, should I say. So the PlayStation, that was CD. PS2 was DVD, and PS3 was the Blu-ray. I'm not sure what the PS4 got, if I got anything different or not. Right, there was something I needed to do. Something down here, something up here maybe. Just reset the track. It goes back alright, but it's just not, there's a gap there, it needs to be fully back. I'm definitely out of line. I have to skew up treadle, I'm sure I am. No, that's definitely not right. The laser's going for it. We'll look into this, see what I can do. Right, I've looked into what to do. This wasn't fully back. Now these 2 little screws here, you have to undo them, and then that raises up, gets you out the tray, lifts up on one side, because that is part of one of the runners itself connected to the tray. So you take that fully out. Not too bad condition, cleaning wise. If it's not fully back, the PlayStation will get confused. So what you have to do is to fill the mechanism for the actual DVD tray, pull it fully over to the right, and everything drops, so it's down out of the way. Get your tray. I think it's this first track here wants to go on this little track on here. Now if you don't put it fully down, it should go okay and slides back. Lift it up a little bit, put this running track, which is on the tray itself, into its notches. Not to screw it down just yet, and push it all the way back. Now that, for me, is in place. The head hasn't come up, but turn it back on and press eject, the head goes back up. I can press eject and it will come out. Goes back in. That working perfectly. So, a little bit of a cock up. If you do come across it, then there you go, there's a solution for you. Well, there's the solution. So, back in with these tiny little, piddle little screws. I've got the 4 that are on the top anyway, so I'll just put these side ones in. Just holds this left-hand track in place. So, quite an easy fix, that one. Very easy fix for something I thought I'd completely cocked up on. Just realigns the track with the PlayStation itself. So power back on, eject. Yeah, give it a little bit of oil in that, but I think it's fine. There's very little games I've got for this. It rattles a bit there. I'm gonna put a bit of oil on somewhere. I don't know where. So yeah. Press that, so turn it off. I'm going to put a little bit of oil on tracks here. That doesn't really seem to want anything. Oh, don't faff with things you don't know about. I don't know why that's there, and there's a metal bit. So we'll leave that for a minute. I'll just cut it up. Oh, that cog does anything. I pressed it twice then. This part of the where the holes in the CD was absolutely filth. They're just pulling black all the time. Now it's so clean. It's just such a good grip to that now. So I'm going to get some oil down on these bits. Nothing over the top. I could do with some grease, to be honest, but I haven't got any. All I've got is multi-purpose bloody drip oil, and I'm not keen on it. Let's try putting it on a cotton bud. I don't want much. I don't want to cover everything. I don't want it as bad as the last one I did when I'm have to clean up everything afterwards. A bit of track on there. Let's turn that on. Rattles there at the end. I'm not fully bothered. It is working perfectly. Yeah, that'll do. So with that working fine, let's get the lid on. This lid goes on. Let's turn it off for safety's sake. 4 tiny screws in place on here. And here is a quick jump cut to show that. And there you have it. Screws back on the CD tray. Now I'm still a little bit worried why this side doesn't go on. Let's see if it will do now. That goes on there. That goes round, that goes on, that goes in. Safety first. It's just this corner. Why would it not go fully on there? Something's holding it there. I don't really want to force on. Is it a clip on there or something? No. Let me see what I can find. I'm just pausing a second. I just don't know what's... It feels like it's there where the screw hole is and it's not going in right. I don't know why. Give me a minute. Ah, sussed it. This screw here doesn't go there because that's on there. So this screw must go there. Your pillow. So let me just swap that round. Yeah, I was right. That's flush on there now. So all I need to do now is check whether or not I've got any more screws lying around. I don't think I have. Right, the long ones go 1, 2, 5, 6. And short ones go 3, 4. Oh, come on, get in there. There we go. 3, 4, 7, and 8. Motorway. Right. Let's overkill this. The drill instead of my hand. Set nice and tight, but it won't be too tight. Set only on for a 10 on the ratchet. I think. Beautiful. There you go. Done. Done, done, and done. Feet back on. Now the plastic ones go in the centre. And up here. Rubber ones go on the edge. And all we need to do is another plastic one there. The other thing I'm missing from this thing, which is a shame, is when it's on its side, I'm missing 1 foot there. But yeah, internally clean, nice, very happy. I'm going to get quick clean outside and then I think we're done. So give me 1 sec and I'll get this with a damn good clean up. And there you have it. All done. Right. So what I'm going to do now is test it with... Where are we? I have a controller somewhere. It is... Shouldn't really have done this beforehand. Oh, get off. Right. PS2 controller. Bloody wires. Right, plug that in. Television over, AV2. I'm going to stick in a memory card, slot 1. Let's turn it on. And get a game. This one, Gran Turismo 3. Love my racing games. Let's see if this works, shall we? Right, that's in. Browser, configuration, don't care, it's working fine. Sounds like it's whirring away. Ooh, it's gone. Bye-bye. Oh, looking good. And that analog button. There's a video I saw the other day. Only a certain generation will know what the analog button was. I mean, this is a dual shock. It feels so lightweight compared to the PS3's controllers. Well, these do take a while to load up. Still not a ZX Spectrum or a Commodore VIC-20 or something. It'll take forever to load one of them up, but that's because it's not working. That's why it's not loading up. He says while looking at the other games that he's got in his little wallet. Come on. Maybe this ain't working. And there she goes. If only the PS3 would have done this as well. Let's get it forward, shall we? Start, yes. Yeah, beautiful. I've got a really good PS2 here. Next video is going to be concentrating on getting the hard drive in, which is here. Very small one, before I need to faff around and put things on there. Why is there a dot in the top corner of the screen? Oh, come on. See it bumping. Hey, let's take these corners low. I'm struggling. Gorgeous, that corner. Wow. And I'm going to pause it there because of end of the video. And I'm going to play this for the rest of the day. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, follow me on Twitter, Facebook, Patreon if you want to donate. Get in touch if you want to give something to the garage. Anything is welcome. Absolutely anything. Could be old, could be new. I don't give a monkeys. If you want to send me your badges, your t-shirts, fine. I'll plug them on here. I'll give you a good thumbs up for them if they're any good. If they're not, bleh. But yeah, please like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you very much for watching. Bye bye. Hi there, Retro Trek Ralph fans. Trek? No.